Now, we invite Sri K. Vasudeva Rao, President of the Bhaktivedanta Institute, Kolkata, on the dais to share his thoughts with us.
Respected Chief Guest, Professor V.S. Ramamurthy, Guest of Honor, His Holiness Dr. Bal Gangadhar Nath Mahaswamiji, Guest of Honor Dr. V.K. Saraswat, other dignitaries on the dais, dear delegates and speakers, thank you for your august presence. I will speak few words about the Bhaktivedanta Institute, which is a gift of the two great personalities whom we have just honored. The purpose of the Bhaktivedanta Institute is to achieve the distinction of human life. What do we mean by that? We spend most of our time exploring many things around us. Each one of us has been so deeply involved in one of our few special areas of our interest that we completely exhaust ourselves, having no time or interest for deeper aspects of our life. Physicists are busy counting the particles and forces. Chemists are busy counting atoms and molecules. Cosmologists are busy counting the stars and galaxies. Biologists are busy counting skulls and bones. But are we really studying life? Not really. We are only studying shadows of life. We spend our time in exploring so many things in the universe. Where is the time for exploring our own life? Please take few moments to reflect. You will realize that human life is so precious that it cannot be wasted. St. Georgi, a Nobel laureate in physiology and medicine, who discovered vitamin C molecule, remarked, "In my search for the secret of life, I ended up with atoms and molecules which have no life at all. Somewhere along the line, life has run out through my fingers. So in my old age, I am now retracing my steps." Dear friends, the purpose of the Bhaktivedanta Institute is to remind everyone, students, teachers, professionals, scholars, and scientists, that your work is important, but do not forget to look deep into your life. This institution is to study scientifically, rationally, logically, practically, systematically, explore our own life. What is the real meaning and purpose of our life? The words like good, bad, utility, waste, happiness, love, etc. have meaning only due to us, the conscious beings. These aspects are fundamental and intrinsic to our existence. Particles and forces we study in our lab cannot give meaning to these words. Please think about it deeply. It has profound implications to what we do in our life and what we do with our life. If the deliberations in this conference inspire at least one person to reflect deep into one's life, we consider this conference a great success, because life is precious, it is fundamental, life is sacred, life is you. Thank you very much.